Morning traders, Joseph here from Eightcap. So we'll start with some of the central bank news. The RBA cut rates as expected yesterday. Now this didn't have a very negative impact on the Australian dollar, was sort of priced in, so we saw a good move up after the rates cut and then a continuation higher. But the other key one was this morning, the Federal Reserve cut rates by 50 basis points. Now this was a surprise cut. Well, in a way it was, because I have to give credit to Westpac that they did announce this a couple of days ago, and they did nail it completely. So very good call by Westpac there. Now the Federal Reserve basically met, during the G7, and due to the current coronavirus impact and the development of the coronavirus in the US, they are worried it's going to have economic impact on the US, so they've taken measures to try and stabilize the economy. And President Trump was, of course, asking for further rate cuts after the 50 points that was cut early this morning. So just taking a look at some of the currency pairs, we can see that the euro continued higher, the Aussie was higher, the pound moved higher, and the USD also moved up to the CAD. Some of the markets did move lower after this news piece. Now, the US 30 was one of them, and it had a very sharp decline. We also saw other stock indices doing the same thing. So this is sort of not at crisis point just yet, but we want to see what happens after this decline, if we do break these lows, or if we do see another hold setting up a bit more buyer support, with the possibility of another new rally higher. But for now, we really want to see some either lower higher lows or support holds come in. And the US 30 sort of midpoint, the German 30 was sort of 3/4 of the way down into that recovery bar, and also the NAS as well is sort of midpoint at the moment. So it's sort of time to wait and watch and see if buyers can re-establish a support point, and if we can see another strong sort of value bar or an engulfing bar to sort of signify that there is a high low in place, and we could see a new short-term rally develop. Now, coming off of the Aussie dollar today, we have Australian GDP, and it could be an interesting one depending on what comes out. So that comes out 11:30 this morning, and the ASX has started a little bit in the red so far this morning in early trade. Now, another one that was affected overnight in a positive manner was gold. So gold jumped after that US Federal Reserve rate cut, adding 3.58%. And again, gold's sitting at some short-term resistance at this point here. If buyers can break that, then it's starting to look like a possible trend continuation. But there is resistance moving up to the 1659 point, and then again there will be some short-term resistance up to that high at 1689. So we will see how it goes. But at the moment, gold has started more positively, but we'd like to see how buyers react once they get up to these type of levels here, and if they can break above it. Now that's basically it for some of the key events. Coronavirus obviously still continues to be a main issue at the moment, and keep an eye on the Australian GDP data at 11:30 this morning, Australian Eastern Daylight Time. Have a good trading day. Bye for now.